The Nightingale heard by the unsatisfied heart. By William Ingelow. LibriVox.org/Bruskachuk. When in a May Day hush chanteth the missel thrush, the harp o' the heart makes answer with murmurous stirs. When robin redbreast sings, we think on budding springs, and culvers when they coo are love's remembrancers. But thou in the trance of light stayest the feeding night, and Echo makes sweet her lips with the utterance wise, and casts at our glad feet, in a wisp of fancies fleet, life's fair, life's unfulfilled, impassioned prophecies. Her central thought full well thou hast the wit to tell, to take the sense o' the dark and to yield it so, the moral of moonlight to set in a cadence bright, and sing our loftiest dream that we thought none did know. I have no nest as thou, bird on the blossoming bough, yet over thy tongue outfloweth the song o' my soul, chanting, forego thy strife, the spirit outacts the life, but much is seldom theirs who can perceive the whole.
End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.